Hello everyone. Thought I'd come on here and do a Target keto haul. Here's a Quest double chocolate chip. These are one of my favorite things. I like to buy single at work, but I thought I'd buy it in this pack and save a little money. Not much. They don't really drop the prices. Even if you get the double size, it's still the same price. So, as you may know, anything convenient is expensive, and if it's keto, it's twice as much. Anyways, so this has 15 grams of protein, less than 1 grams of sugar, net carbs 5, 15 grams of fat. Isn't that keto? And it's nice and filling. It actually will tide me over for quite some time. So that's nice. You get a cookie, you get something sweet. Next up is, most of this is Quest. Quest chocolate chip cookie dough protein bars. 21 grams of protein, 4 net carbs, 14 grams of fiber, 9 grams of fat. Hopefully this is a good one. The other ones I've tried is like a donut one, and that was pretty good. So I have high hopes for this. To be honest though, you kind of have to get used to keto flavored, like sugar-free stuff a little bit with a lot of this. Just has that different flavor. You get used to it though, because you just forget what like other stuff tastes like. It's crazy how fast you get over it if you just don't have it. You just don't have it. Don't let yourself have that one piece of candy. It's not gonna mess up your diet, right? Well, one fry leads to a whole pack of fries, and before you know it, you're out of ketosis. Started day one, and it takes like 3 days to get back into ketosis. If you spike it above 20 in one sitting, you can spike yourself out of ketosis. So it's a hard game to play. And lately I haven't been drinking enough water. Next thing, Quest cranberry trail mix flavor bar. Looks like a seed and nut bar because it's pretty much all we can eat on keto. 10 grams protein, 2 sugar, 5 net carbs, 15 fat. It's pretty much the same as the other guys. This was on clearance, has a hole in it as well, so 30% off. That's why I bought that. Let's try it out. Got to save a little money on these bad boys. Like, these are literally like $7. It's pretty crazy, but it is a lot of protein, a lot of fat, super convenient. Like I said. Next thing up, I'll just go through all the Quest stuff. So the next thing up is the Quest ranch chips, tortilla style. 19 grams of protein, 4 gram net carbs, and 4.5 grams of fat. So you're definitely eating it for the protein, but it's not so bad. Especially once I go off of keto, I won't be so upset if I don't get all my fat, because I'm gonna cut fat out after this, which is sad because I'm gonna get used to having all this fat stuff. But these do not have a lot of fat. 5 grams. These have 5. These are the barbecue flavor. So excited to get these. Have never seen these before. Just dropped at a different Target. Found these. Only one on the shelf, so they're probably popular. So 5 grams of fat, and then 19 grams of protein, and then 4 net carbs. See what I'm saying? Keep things below 5 net carbs, and like you could eat 4 of these and not go over your 20 carbs in one sitting. That will spike you out. I mean, I have more carbs. I'm a bigger guy. I have 80 to 100 a day. Other people, a lot of women do more like 20 to 50. I think that's really hard, but whatever you got to do to get in ketosis. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time eating this way. So you don't want to waste your time eating keto unless you really like it. You could probably make some good recipes. Anyways, next thing is this, I don't even know how to say it, Isopure infusions citrus lemonade. I thought I would try it because it was on clearance, and I was like, let's save some money and try something new. And it's lemonade flavored, so I think it's gonna be super good. It's only 2 carbs, 1 sugar, 20 protein, 0 fat. So like I said, I'm looking for things that I can have after this diet, so it's easier to switch over. So you don't have to switch over 100% of your diet, because there's so many keto things. So I thought I would just come on here and show how many things there are that make your life easy when you're trying to switch. But eventually you should just make everything from scratch. But if you don't do it before you work, like if you don't do it on your day off, it's hard to do it on the days you work, for me personally. So you get off work and you're like, meal prepping? No. Making a complicated meal? No. I want to do something easy, quick, eggs, easy. You know what I'm saying? And then things like this. I'm not going to eat dinner tonight because I'm lazy. I don't feel like eggs again. I'm going to try this guy right now on video. First time. In case it's bad, I have this bad boy to back it up. Cherry, 0 sugar, Coca-Cola. Not the best for me. Not a huge pop drinker, but I let myself have one a day. I think it kind of replaces having alcohol or beer, having that drink at the end of the day. It's not the best for me. Gives a little zest or pop from the carbonation. Let's try it out. Watch me need it has a scoop with it. One scoop. Look at that scoop. That's a big boy. There's 16 servings in this. And this thing was $17.49. Normally it's $25. Saved a little money. So if I don't like it, I won't be so sad. But I'll still consume it. Because I believe I'm going to consume it even if I don't like it. Let's not be wasteful. My grandma taught me. Don't be wasteful.
Mix this. Smells like tang, kind of. A little more citrus to it. Tang was pretty citrusy, so a little more lemon. Okay. I couldn't find a little shaker ball. Otherwise, I would have just shook it the whole time. But without that little ball, no promises that it's gonna get mixed up very well. Looks like it's getting foamy. It's always fun. Protein foam. Honestly, it just tastes like lemon powder, so it's not bad. It's not sour.
Anyways, this stuff's pretty good. Too bad it's getting discontinued. That's probably why it was on discount. Or maybe just from that location. I might be able to get it online. So I'm pretty sure this looks like a Target brand. They like to hide the direct brand. Anyways, speaking of Target brand, this is the Target brand. Thought I'd try their cheese cubes out. They are tasty. 42 protein. And it's like, what? Maybe 6 carbs? You guys can do this. 42 protein, 6 carbs. And like 30 grams of fat. Keto, keto, keto. They do try to say have more fat than protein, so I do eat a lot of cheese, butter, cheese dip. I'll get cheese crisps and dip them in cheese dip. Cheese on cheese. Sometimes I do the carrot chips. That's a little better. But you just gotta mix it up. Don't get bored. Except that you're doing this for a temporary time. Unless you want to do it forever. But not dirty. You gotta do it clean if you're gonna do it forever. Doing keto dirty. And let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you have any questions about them. Like I said, I bought them at Target. Just because Target has Quest stuff. They have a ton of Quest stuff. Signing off. Have a good night. Accept life, create light, don't worry, do.